10 Plant-based recipes to make any day meatless. Plant-based diets can lower your risk of chronic disease and help you reach a healthy weight. Here, we will tell you the worth of tasty recipes to help you kick off your plant-based lifestyle. Whether you're vegan, a vegetarian, or follow a more flexible version of the plant-based diet, filling your plate with more plant-based foods will have long-term health benefits. People who eat a lot of plants or have a mostly plant-based diet live longer, higher quality lives. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start the video. Number 10. 3-bean healthy chili. Cozy up with a bowl of savory vegan chili. This recipe is packed with flavor, thanks to 3 different kinds of beans: pinto, kidney, and black, quinoa, tomatoes, onions, corn, and a variety of spices: cumin, oregano, garlic powder, and chili powder. If desired, add flaxseed for extra protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 9. Cajun tempeh and rice skillet. This recipe will satisfy any craving for Cajun-inspired food. You'll combine nutty tempeh, crunchy bell peppers and onions, earthy brown rice, and spicy Cajun seasoning to create a wholesome meal that rivals your usual takeout order. This one-pan recipe is a cinch to put together on busy weeknights and is perfect for using up any leftover rice you may have on hand. Number 8. Pesto chickpea smash. For a filling, plant-based sandwich or salad topping, try this quick pesto recipe that uses pistachios in place of pine nuts. Pistachios are full of flavor and boast a healthy nutritional profile that contains fiber, unsaturated fatty acids, and antioxidants, according to a review published in the May 2016 issue of Nutrition Today. This recipe also features arugula, chickpeas, and a variety of flavorful ingredients like lemon, garlic, balsamic vinegar, and honey. Spread this pesto chickpea smash on whole grain bread, add to a salad, or use as a topping on your eggs in the morning. Number 7. Chana Masala. This simplified and vegan version of a hearty Indian stew is a healthy alternative to classic takeout food. This recipe blends chickpeas, tomatoes, onions, and a bevy of warming spices: ginger, chili pepper, turmeric, and cinnamon for a stomach-filling stew that has a mildly spicy flavor. Serve with basmati, jasmine, or brown rice, or choose quinoa for added protein. Number 6. Avocado and white bean salad wraps. With the perfect ratio of crunchy veggies to soft avocado and mashed white beans, these easy wraps make a delectable, satisfying lunch. They're also great cut into bite-sized pieces and served as an appetizer. Number 5. Quinoa tabbouleh salad. This quick and easy tabbouleh salad is perfect for a light meal. The recipe takes protein-packed quinoa and tops it with hemp hearts, cucumber, red onion, and grape tomatoes for tons of nutrients. Lemon, parsley, and mint offer a clean, refreshing flavor that's great chilled or at room temperature. To make this salad a little heartier, add a can of chickpeas. Number 4. Savory turmeric oat bowls with tempeh bacon. Start your day with this oat bowl that combines the earthy flavor of turmeric with the savoriness of tempeh bacon. Turmeric offers anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, while oat bran contains a type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucan, which is one of the best forms of soluble fiber for lowering cholesterol. You'll also get plenty of vitamins and minerals from the greens. Just 1 cup of kale, for example, provides roughly 53.3 𝐸 of calcium, 19.6 milligrams mg of vitamin C, and 6.93 mg of magnesium. Number 3. Lemony kale and white bean soup with leeks. Soups are one of the easiest ways to get in a ton of veggies. Try your hand with this flavorful lemon-infused soup that features earthy kale, sweet leeks, and hearty beans. Just 1 serving offers 11 𝐸 of protein and nearly 11 𝐸 of fiber, all with only 263 calories. Add in some sliced vegan sausage if you want to boost the soup's flavor and staying power. Number 2. Vegan sloppy joes. Satisfy any cravings for warm, hearty food with this plant-based sloppy joe recipe. In addition to flavor, you'll score 9 grams 𝐸 of gut-filling fiber in a single serving, mostly thanks to the red lentils. Women are supposed to get at least 25 𝐸 of fiber per day, while men should get at least 38 𝐸 per day, according to the National Academy of Medicine. Meanwhile, sauteed onion, bell pepper, and garlic add a touch of crunch. Pile the mixture on top of a couple of 6-inch corn tortillas and enjoy. Number 1. Simple apple quinoa power bowl. This autumn-inspired power bowl recipe combines plant proteins from quinoa and tofu, plus apples and leafy greens for a balanced combo of macronutrients that'll keep you full and satisfied. Plus, it's easy to make. Just cook the quinoa and and top with your choice of greens. Try spinach, kale or romaine, tofu cubes, and chopped apples. Mix up the accompanying sweet yet tangy dressing and drizzle it over your bowl for tons of flavor. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.